a package from none other than Young Nails. I have been using Young Nails for 10 years out of the 11 years that I've been doing nails, okay? So I think that's like, what, 98% or 99%? I don't know. I'm not good at math. I am in shock and disbelief right now. So yeah, let's see what they sent me. I got some nail liquid. This is the only nail liquid that I have been using for 10 years. Love their nail liquid. I have tried using other acrylic powders, but I just prefer Young Nails acrylic powder. So that's, you know, their nail liquid, their nail powder is like chef's kiss. They sent me Cover Flamingo. I have Flamingo, and I have Flamingo on its own, and then I have Flamingo and Cover Pink mixed together to kind of make a little bit of a pinkier nude, because the Flamingo is very pink, but still very cute. So they sent me this and Cover Pink, so this is perfect. These are literally like my two go-to. There's Cover Pink and Cover Flamingo, and then Speed Clear is my favorite. If it's not a Cover one, I use their Speed Clear. So they sent me these two. And then I also got Cover Pink Opal. I have not tried this one. Let me see. Oh my gosh, it's sparkling. Let me try not to spill this in my sink. Hold on, I have to show you guys this. This is literally so cute. Okay, this is top 3. These are now gonna be my top 3 because this glitter, so good. Let's see, we got, ooh, some nail polish, Satin Sugar, so cute. I love having regular polish because in that way I can like do my own pedicures. Oh my gosh, Manny and the Move bag. Oh my gosh, the sun is like sunning today. Sorry. Oh my god, I'm so excited, I'm getting hot. Okay, so I got there's nail strengthener, a top coat. I got a base coat, Giggle Palace. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got the nail clipper set, cuticle nippers, glass nail file, glass cuticle pusher, a skin refined nail file, got a cuticle softener and a cuticle oil, hand cream, a polish perfector detail brush. Love a good detail brush. That is literally everything that came in this bag. I am so, oh my god, so grateful, so great. Thank you so much, Young Nails. Like, I could literally cry right now. But wait, there's more. I've told you guys before, Young Nails nail primer, the only primer you will need. This is, again, I've been using Protein Bond for the longest time. I use this across the board for all of my products, all of my services. You need to get some of this. And I love that they made bigger bottles because they used to be the teeniest tiny things and then they would always tip over and then I would cry because most of it would spill out. But they made bigger ones, so you need to get these. I got a new acrylic brush. This brush is so good. It's a size 12. I used to have one of these, but I used it so much for so long that it just quite literally fell apart. So I'm so excited. So you guys will be seeing this baby in my videos now. What is this? Is this Yeti? This is like, oh, this is so cute. Okay, I love my coffee cup. I have a yellow one, like a goldish one, and a green one, but this is coming to work with me now. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Thank you so much, Young Nails. I am so grateful. Thank you so much. I could literally cry right now. Bye.